Amazon.com, online retailer, manufacturer of electronic book, reader, and web services provider that become the iconic example of electronics commerce. Its headquarters are in Washington. Headquarter Washington, date 1994. Present related people. Jeff Bezos. Amazon.com is a vast internet-based enterprises that sells book, music, movies, hardware, electronic toys, and many other goods, either directly or as the middleman between other retail and Amazon.com's millions of customers. Its web services business, including renting, data storage, and computing source, so-called cloud computing over the internet, its considerable online presence is such that in 2012, 1% of all internet traffic in North America traveled in and out of Amazon.com data center. The company also makes the market leading Kindle ebook reader. Its promotion of these devices has led to dramatic growth in ebook publishing and turned Amazon.com into a major disruptive force in the book publishing market. In 1994, Jeff Bezos, a former Wall Street hedge fund executive, incorporated Amazon.com, choosing the name primarily because it's began with the first letter of the alphabet and because of its association with the vast South America River. On the base of research the had conduct, Bezos concluding the book would the most logic product intently to sell online. Amazon.com was not the first company to do so. Computer literacy and Silicon Valley bookstore began selling book from in inventory to its technology status. Customers in 1991, however, the promise of Amazon.com was to deliver any book to any reader anywhere. While Amazon.com famously started as a bookseller, Bezos connected from instated that the site was not merely a retailer of consumer product. He arranged the Amazon.com was a technology company whose business was simplify online tech transformation for consumers.